Hey everybody, it's Alex from Hannemann Ironworks here, and today I have an unboxing and an update video. I have an unboxing from Steve over at North Country Forge. I'll put a link to his channel up in the top right. Make sure to go check him out. He had, I believe it was a 100 subscribe giveaway. I may be wrong on the number, but it was a subscriber giveaway, and I was lucky enough to win it. And here it is. And so, I know exactly what's in here, but if you guys don't, there's also a video that he has, and go check that one out as well. But go check it out after my video, of course. But yeah, so without much further ado, let's just jump right into it. I'm just cut it down here. I don't feel like panning down, and I'm wearing pajamas, so it's like 11 o'clock at night, and that's the time I've been home most days, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, and before I put this away, this is the knife I got from WB Blacksmithing. He's also got a channel. And I'll drop a link to the unboxing, a link to his channel down below. Go check that stuff out too. But yeah, this thing works awesome and it's sharp. Alright, so box opened. Here it is. So I'm not sure if you guys saw the video, but this is a paper towel holder. Just rip this out of here. Got some fancy bubble wrap. Alright, so I liberated it from its iron cage, or plastic cage. Irons was in the cage. So here is the paper towel rack. As you can see, it's got two little mounting holes. Put it right on the wall, drill it in, and then right here, I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, North Country Forge. And then it's got this little horseshoe, or I believe it's a horseshoe. It's a U with a bunch of dots in it, which looks like a horseshoe. I don't have a horseshoe just laying around, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a horseshoe. And I didn't realize you were a farrier. Otherwise, that's just something you have. It's kind of cool. Steve, if you are a farrier, just drop it down below. It'd be kind of cool. It'd be cool to see some videos of you doing some farrier work too. But I'm not sure if you're a farrier, and that's just cool decoration. As you can see here, he put two rivets in. They look great. And he also made a taper over here and a little cool scroll over here. And so you put this in partially, put the paper towels in, slide it all the way across, and then the paper towels will hold right here, which is pretty awesome. I'm gonna put this in my indoor, well, not really indoor, it's a garage, but I'm gonna put this on the wall of the garage because I'm always looking for a paper towel. I'm like, where are they? And usually they're on the ground. So this will be a giant improvement. Thank you, Steve. Remember, guys, go check out his channel. There will be a link in the description down below. And now into the update. I've been super busy with work and various other things like Skills USA that you guys may have heard of. I've been doing quite a few bits of welding and spending a lot of my afternoons there instead of blacksmithing. So I've been doing that. I've been welding up an anvil, which is coming along nicely. Problem is I only get a few hours at a time, and some of those hours that haven't been welding, they've been just learning from my instructor, and then preparing for the competitions coming up. Hopefully I'll make some video on that. That'll be a lot of fun. But yeah, so that's coming up soon. But what's also coming up is the weather is finally starting to be less crazy. For the past, few months, it's been constant snow and constant freezing, and my shop's just been overloaded with snow. I did dig it out one of the days I had a little bit of free time, and so it's dug out, and it's starting to melt, and there's a little bit of water in there, but it doesn't really concern me. That should all just drain off. But my shop is finally in condition where I can go out and forage, and it's supposed to get up to 60s next weekend. I am quite busy this week, but hopefully I should be able to get to my shop, and my next video will be a foraging video, I hope. If not, I may use a propane torch inside, futzing around with that. But hopefully my next video will be a foraging video, back to foraging for the rest of the summer and quite a bit into the winter if I can stockpile some videos. I'm not sure what else is going on. Oh yeah, my truck. So you guys may know or may not know, it doesn't particularly matter, but I own a 1997 4.2 liter V6 F-150, and it's it's doing what most Fords do according to most guys. It's broken down and it's not running. It got stuck at my school. I had to tow it back to my house, and I've been working on it at my house, and I'm pretty sure it was the starter, but I replaced the starter, now it's not working. So couldn't tell you. If you guys are a mechanic and are willing to help me out or something, maybe just shoot me an email. My email will be in the bottom. Just shoot me an email there if you guys would be willing to take a listen to a few recordings of my truck and maybe give me a little bit of advice on what's going on. I'm thinking about just replacing the starter again because I have a warranty on it and it's just not doing what it's supposed to. I'm pretty sure it's still the starter, so I don't know. But thank you very much, Steve, for this. This will be a huge improvement in my shop. Mechanic, email me, email in the description down below, and hopefully my next video will be a foraging video. So thanks for popping in and watching this. If you guys stuck here to the end, I very much appreciate it, and I'll see all you guys next time, and goodbye.